Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So today is just a realistic college day in my life and I'm just getting ready for college. Nothing too fancy, just a simple everyday look. I actually love getting ready in the morning. I feel like I'm more of a morning person and I like to keep my mornings slow but still productive. It just sets the tone for my whole day. Also, I washed my hair today, so I have to look pretty because it's a good hair day. Like, I don't know why, but good hair days just make me feel like my life is put together. My makeup is super simple, just a basic base and some blush. I honestly don't like heavy or patchy makeup. I prefer my skin to look more of natural and hydrated, especially because my skin is dry. I have a dry skin. I feel like when your skin looks healthy, you don't need that much makeup. I also fill in my brows a little. I'm still learning makeup and I'm not so perfect at it. I just try different things and hope it turns out decent. Actually, I have a friend who does really good makeup, and I am always like, how is her makeup so flawless? So, yeah, I am kind of learning and getting inspired from her too. And while filming and editing this, I realized the makeup videos are actually way harder than they look. Like, people make it seem so effortless, but there is so much of cutting and adjusting angles. My makeup clip itself was around 15 to 20 minutes and I had to trim so much, but it still somehow feels long. And editing really makes you realize how much time goes into even small videos. Oh, yeah, and let me tell you about my lip liners. I literally cannot go a single day without my lip liners. Without it, I feel like something is just missing from my life. Not only from my face, but from my life. I use two lip liners, and like even if I do nothing else, a lip liner is a must. And after that, I just set my face, nothing too much, just enough so it stays in a place throughout the day. Then I like to apply a little bit of compact after setting my face just to smooth everything out and make it look more put together. I like to keep all my go-to things in one pouch like lip liners, lip gloss, a comb and just some random girly essentials because I cannot survive without them. I don't really go all out with accessories either, just choosing between a pair of earrings. I usually just go with my usual pair of earrings. They literally go with everything, and it just makes the whole look feel complete without doing too much. I just let my hair air dry and yeah, then a quick fit check. So we had group work today where we had to work on a business model. This is basically that. It was actually interesting. And yeah, I tried to record myself in class, but I was too shy. Also, I don't really want to share too much of my university stuff. And after coming back home, my parcel finally arrived. And here I am trying to record it like a unboxing video. So I ordered a mic because I really want to improve my audio quality, but at the same time I'm also trying not to spend too much in the beginning, because I feel like you shouldn't invest too much before you actually start earning from it or you actually gain something from it. So yeah, just slowly upgrading things, and right now I'm just trying to figure out how this mic even works. These are all the stuff that came with it. And yeah, I guess the best part that came along with it, the furry thing. I mean, I have seen many influencers using this mic with that little fur on that top, and I used to feel like that's really cool. And yeah, I was right, that is kinda cool. Now, hopefully, my future videos sound way better, and I'm also learning editing. I know I'm a design student, but yeah, I don't know anything. I'm learning it. Now, skincare time. I am just doing my night skincare. This is honestly my second favorite part of the day, because first one will always be my morning routine. It just feels so relaxing, like a reset after a long day. I love to do it peacefully while listening to some good soothing music. I like to moisturize my face really well at night, and I give my face a little massage. I use my hands and gently massage everything, bringing it down through my neck, and yeah, it just gives my face a nice lift and glow. I used to do gua sha as well, but lately I don't really have much time for it. My skin is pretty clear right now, and OMG, touch wood. And yeah, I try to record properly, but I know I will get better with time. As I said, I'm still learning from the basics, how to vlog, how to film, everything, editing, and everything. I know there are so many other creators out there doing their best and presenting the most aesthetic content, but yeah, I know I will get there one day because I trust myself. So yeah, please don't judge, or you can judge if you want, but this is just me. As an introvert, I feel like I already gave a lot. So I guess that's it for today. If you like this video, then hit the thumbs up, and you can subscribe if you want. There will be great things coming. I promise. I trust myself. And that's it. See ya.